Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am straightening this hair I got from MORICHY hair. They sent me this BodyWave 4x4 closure in 24 inches. I'm gonna show you guys how I straighten this hair. You guys, it got bone straight and it feels so good. So good. If you guys want to see me straighten this hair, if you guys want to see how it comes in its natural state, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you guys can follow me there, so you can participate in all my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything I have going on Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this. All right, you guys, so I just filmed me unboxing this hair. If you guys want to watch that video, I will have that one up right before this one, so you can go check that out, or I'll just leave it in the card somewhere up here so you guys can check that video out first. If you guys want to see what comes in the packaging and watch me install it and see it off my head, all that good stuff. But for now, what we're going to do is I'm going to be straightening this hair. This is the natural state of the hair. I didn't do anything to it. This is a BodyWave. It's 24 inches. It's a 4x4 closure. So I'm going to straighten this because I really want to see how well it straightens. It feels so good. It feels so good. I love it so far. So if you want to watch me straighten this hair, and if you want to see how straight this BodyWave hair can get, continue to watch. Okay, so this is the before and after, and she looks and feels so good. This is the ends. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Yes, bone straights. Yes. Ooh. She looks and feels good. Look at that. Wow. 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 I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then I will be right back. All right, so this is the final look. It's straightened perfectly. This is what the ends are looking like. I kind of want to cut them. Hold on. I'm gonna trim the tiniest bit off. Cause I love the blonde. Look how clean that looks. I love that. See? See, just trim just a little bit off. And you feel so much better. Look how clean that looks. It looks so clean. And I was like barely an inch. So now look at them. Perfect. Perfect. So yes, this is the wig from MORICHY hair. The hair feels so soft, you guys. This hair has barely tangled. Even when it was BodyWave, it was barely tangling at all. And there is no tangle now that it's straight. It just looks so sleek and beautiful. I love it. I do love it. Yes, so this hair gets an A. It straightens well, so well. Beautiful. And it really looks beautiful straight out of the package. If you wanted to wear it straight out of the package, again, that video will be in the description box below if you want to check that out. This is a good tea look, you guys. Ooh. She beautiful. Look at that. Yes, 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 and yes. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I appreciate you coming. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.